So all you have to do is to go to the WIX website, and once you're here in the dashboard, click on Edit Site. Wait for it to load, and in the WIX website editor, just click on Add Section, and then from here, click on About. And then in this panel, it will show you all the About template that will tell you all about the creator of the website. Now, all you have to do is to choose any templates that you want from here. When you have finally chosen the one that you desire, just drag and drop it right in the area that you want to add it. And then once you have added it to the site itself, you can just change the text by clicking on it. If you want to change the title or the heading of the About Us, you can do so. You can change it to Our Story if you want to make it more engaging. And then here you can change the description of your About section. You can also use AI tools to alter this text, and that's it. Once you're done and satisfied with your About Us section, you can click on Preview to make sure that it is perfect and that you are satisfied with the design. And after that, you can just hit on Publish.